Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here, and I'd like to welcome you to my channel today. We appreciate you stopping by. If this is your first time here, welcome aboard. But you don't want to miss out on any more goodies that I put out on a regular basis to help you to make money online. So go ahead and click on the subscribe button below. That way you'll get notified. Well, actually, click on the bell even, and you'll get notified every time I put out a new video on making money online. Let me ask you something. What if I told you that 80% of the work most online marketers do won't make them a single dime? Sounds crazy, right? But it's true. Let me state that one more time. 80% of the work most online marketers do won't make them a single dime. Because what they're doing is called busy work. You know, tweaking their logo, color coding their Google Drive, watching another endless times of how-to videos without implementing, without doing anything. I mean, all that feels productive, but your bank account stays the same. The money, that comes from IPAs. What's an IPA? Income producing activities. Some say RPA, revenue producing activities, but income producing activities. I mean, things like messaging your leads, sending an email with an offer to attract people, or working on getting traffic to your sales pages. I mean, these are moves that make your phone ding with payments. It says you made a sale, you got a sign up, you have a subscriber, congratulations, one more person joined your team, whatever. Okay, that's what income producing activities create. And honestly, that's why I'm hooked on SaveClub, because it has a real product that helps people save money on bills that they're paying already. Things like electric bill, or internet, cell phone, I mean, even groceries, dining out, clothes. I share it, they save, I get paid. That's IPA that you can do in minutes. Plus, with SaveClub, you don't have to be doing any busy work, like making capture pages or creating images or reels or email copy or whatever. It's all done for you, and even more. So you can simply focus on doing your income producing activities, driving traffic, whatever it may be. I mean, heck, right now as I speak, there's like 15 different websites that they have that all you got to do is just send people to that URL. You don't have to create it. You don't have to capture it because the company captures it for you, and you're good to go. Okay, so if you're tired of doing busy work and not producing income, click on the link below and let's get you started with SaveClub. You can start for free to check it all out. Okay, and I have a question for you. This is the $1,000,000 question. What's one income producing activity you're going to do before the day is over? I don't care what time of the day you're seeing this video. What's one income producing activity that you will do before this day is over with? Put it in the comments. And no reorganizing, your Canva folder doesn't count. Okay. Hey, that's it. I just wanted to help you understand there is a difference between just being busy online and then doing income producing activities. So if you got something on this video today, I would appreciate if you click on the like button. That helps me out a lot. I would really appreciate that. And comment, whether you comment about income producing activity you're doing today or something else, go ahead and comment. I read the comments and I do respond. As I said earlier at the beginning of the video, if this is your first time here, welcome aboard. Click on the subscribe button, smash it, all right? And then ring that bell so you'll get notified every time I put out a new video to help you to make money online. All right? So that's it, my friends. And I just thank you again for being there. And I'll see you in the next video. And for now, you have a foxtastic day.